In this series, we talk about 72 questions for developer. Our today's topic is object to string conversion. Here, we already wrote it, like we already wrote an object and we have two methods. I was commented at one, and there you can see one is toString method. We commonly use this method to convert anything to a string. Here, we most commonly use it like this. We have a number of a variable, it's a number, and want to convert in by the variable dot to string method. And here I don't want to show you this. It's obviously it will work, but in this case, if we console it want to convert an object into a string by the toString method, it will show us this error. Like I already wrote it by, if you can see this thing, like a object and a object with capital O. Here is the string, like when you try by this method, like toString method, it will show this, like first object is define this, its object, like so it with, and the capital O with object is defined, that's its object. So in this case, to a string method, we have some rules or something, like some shortcut. You can call it a shortcut like this. Like in this case, we all know those all are objects like this, but it's have different name or this. Like if it's a object, so you can see it's a object, and in this case it's array, so you can see this array. Like when by this, like toString method, if we console it, like try to convert it into string, if we have this, the output is this, and if I have with this array, the output is object array. And if with this like this, you can see it or take a screenshot to that you don't forget it. And let's comment it, and you can see, and if we comment it like this and comment it out, and we typically, like developer typically work with this, like JSON.stringify method to commonly convert it into a string. Like it will work with all of those methods, like object, array, regex, and with all those methods, the JSON.stringify method will work. If we want to say like do this, and we can see it successfully convert the object into string.